Hi planner friends, so some of you already know that I am going with this specific cover for my Hobonichi weeks. So this is the one I'm picking for next year, 2025. I'm really excited. And so you can see these is the colors. So it's like almost like gray lavender color at the back, but there are a bunch of other colors like blue, yellow, pink, and brown, and more. So I have been thinking about like what color tabs I should go for. Normally I would like to go for like pastel, like lighter colors for my tabs. Like give you an example, it's like this pink, almost like gradient color. And so I now have designed two different shades. They're very similar, but they're slightly different. So these are the two color new tabs. They're more like a darker color, but this is exactly what it looks like in person, what you see on screen. So I'm thinking like, which color should I go for? Let's see. These two like that. I think I'm more leaning towards the left color palette because it's kind of match very well with my cover. But yeah, so these two colors will be available in my shop. I'll be putting them up within the day or so, maybe tomorrow. So make sure to keep an eye out on this. Another new design is monthly kits for your Hobonichi weeks. This is it. You don't really need a lot of stickers, otherwise it'll be overwhelming, but this is just enough to cover everything you need. You get a very cute cover box, lots of stickers that you can definitely write in, like say appointment, time base, or you want to emphasize a specific day with a event, you use a sticker. If you have seen my other video where I love to like layer on sticker, I like added this flag sticker onto this like smaller sticker. You can actually do that too. Yeah, so endless possibility on how you can use this, but I'm super excited for you guys to try out my brand new monthly kits, so definitely check them out. I'll be releasing more design for like November, December, and also for next year as well, so keep an eye on that too. And thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.